Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to view the details view of a lead, change its status, and mark it as a sales qualified lead. Once the user navigates to the Leads app, he or she can mark any lead as a sales qualified lead by clicking on the star button present next to it. The status of the lead can also be changed through the landing page by clicking on the status and selecting the required status update. The details view of a lead can be viewed by clicking on the particular lead from the landing page. The overview screen of the lead is then displayed. Thank you for watching.